What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media, back with another video. So today we'll be doing more mods on the Mark V Supra. So last video you guys might have saw a carbon fiber mirror cap install, but for the purpose of this video we still have the stock caps on. We'll be replacing this LED signal right here. So usually whenever you turn left or right or you signal, this will just blink. But right now it's going to be replaced to a smoke one, and it's going to be sequential. So when your signal is going to be like a loading sign like that. So let's go ahead and do that. You have to remove the mirror cap first. So what you want to do is go ahead and have your mirror tilted up. Just press it up like that. So press it all the way to have the mirror kind of tilt a little bit. You're going to get a nice little plastic pry removal tool, stick it in there, pop it out, and then once you pop that out, there are some clips to take off the mirror cap. So let's go ahead and take care of that first. And then next you're going to remove some of these little clips, these small little red clips. You're going to go ahead and push it together, squeeze it together. And there's 3 of them, so you're going to squeeze, and then from the front use this plastic pry remover tool and kind of pry it out. So just like that, have the mirror caps off. Like I said, there's 3 plastic clips, so 1, 2, and 3 right here. Just squeeze it and then use a plastic pry removal tool and wedge it out. So right now, to get the LED turn signal extension, there are a couple of Torx bit screws. So we got a Torx bit set from O'Reilly's. The size you're going to be using is a T10. It's super small Torx bit. It's going to be a total of 5. So 4 on the back, 1 on the front. There's 1 right there. It's kind of hard to see, but there's 1, 2, 1 through this big circle. There's a little hole right here. 3 and 4. You can see it. So once you remove all 4 here, up front, there's 1 more right over here, and then it should pretty much just pop out. Okay, so right now we have all 5 screws loose and out. The front here is going to pretty much pop right off. This LED strip is going to come out with this bottom black piece, and if it's taking a little bit, you just want to pry it. You can use a pry remover tool to kind of help you out, but kind of pry it out. Like I said, once you remove all 5 screws, it should come right out. Alright, and we have it totally off right now. Let me show you guys the assembly that we have over here. So where's the side? So like I said, have this black plastic piece with the LED light. To take it off, there are no screws, but there's a little tab you're going to push here and slide it out. Okay, and you have this piece here, like I said, no screws. Pretty much you're going to pry it out. There's a little tab somewhere in the corner right here that you're gonna pull down, and once you pull that down, you can kind of like pull this piece off. And quick comparison between the two: this is the stock one, this is the Audio Technique one. So as you can tell, Audio Technique one is a little more smoke, a little more dark and black in color. And besides that, it's sequential. So usually with this, it just flashes. With sequential, it's like a loading sign. You have an extra, well, I guess you're wearing a harness here that plugs into the OEM harness. So let's go ahead and put it back on. So pretty much just fit all the screws. I'm gonna go ahead and double check, make sure it's tight. So you have one right here, tight, one right here, one in this hole right here, and one more in this corner. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then one more right up front over here. Yep, everything is nice and tight. Yeah, and pretty much you have your mirror caps. You should just pop right in and fit the mirror back on. We do have these aftermarket ones, so yeah, like I say in a separate video, we showed the install to this. If you guys want to watch that, these are Audio Technique carbon fiber mirror caps. Okay, so this side pretty much just pop right in. All you have to do is just put the mirror back on. Super easy. So you see these little clips right here, little prongs. You just want to kind of line them up, make sure they go in, and a little bit pressure. There you go, good to go. Dang, so there you have it. Let's get to finishing up the other side, and I'll show you guys how the LED looks. Let me show you guys these sequentials. So we go ahead and turn on the emergency. You can see it loading with the headlight. Smoke turn sequentials. Looks real nice. Here's the other side. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap up the video here. If you guys stick to the end, leave a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more Supra mods, let us know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.